Ich habe gesagt, ihr kriegt mich nicht los. Heute, thank God it's Friday, cruising with Charles Shaw and der Cruise Mobil, der Volvo XC60. Ich habe eine beautiful junge Dame heute dabei. Ein ehemaliger Kollegen, guter Friend. Und Gott sei Dank bless her mother, because she was the legende.
Oh yeah.
She was the legende, and her daughter took over. And believe me, they were the shorter times. So she's now the shorter times. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss D from the Weather Girls.
Hey! How you doing, babe?
It's a pleasure to have you to cruise with.
Thank you, my pleasure also.
And D, when people get in the cruise mobile, die Leute, die springen in the cruise mobile, die müssen singing. So if you're in a cruise mobile, you got to cruise with me.
Always ready.
So I'm not gonna hold up, because eigentlich, die hat keine Zeit gehabt. Die wird weg nach hier, Richtung London und dann Berlin. Aber Charles hat's geschafft, die in the cruise mobile zu kriegen. And it goes like this here. Let's cruise. Let's play something that everybody knows.
All right.
That's right.
Everybody knows this. Y'all know this.
Everybody knows this.
Everybody sing along with me. All right?
D from the Weather Girls. Thank God it's Friday. Cruising with Charles Shaw. And that was XC60.
Here we go, y'all. Hi. I'm your weather girl. And have I got news for you? Get ready. All you lonely girls. Please don't some brothers at home. It is rising. But I get low. According to all sources.
D from the Weather Girls.
All right.
Hey, thanks a lot, D.
Thank you, baby.
This was fantastic. This was fantastic.
Thank you.
D, you have a new single coming out, right?
Yes, I do.
When?
Well, it's out now. It's
Okay.
called We Need Love.
Die habe eine neue Single, wo ich jetzt auf dem Markt heißt We Need Love.
Yes, and it was written by Terry B.
Geschrieben
The
bei
Weather Girls.
Terry B. Weather Girls.
And featuring Jason Anuche.
And featuring Jason
Yes.
and Nuche.
It's called
All
We
right.
Need Love.
We Need Love.
Yeah.
Okay, D. Für mich war das ein Ehre. Like I say again, thanks from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you.
And when the new song is there, I will cruise with you again in the Cruise Mobile.
Definitely.
Okay?
Thank you, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen,
All right.
that was Miss D from the Weather Girls.
Peace out.
We out of here. Ihr kriegt mich nicht los. Ich komm wieder. Thank God it's Friday. Cruising with Charles Shaw. We out of here.
Enjoy your life.
Ciao.